Let's take a little flyover of this striking and intimate estate on Lake Tahoe's gorgeous west shore. How about this white sand beach, along with a pier, boat lift, and 4 buoys? Three homes with grand entertainment capability offer extended privacy and meandering paths to each. Welcome to Lucky Bluff. I'm Trinky Watson, delighted to introduce you to this stunning property and to Kelly Landman, one of our very capable associates I've invited to join me on this listing.
What a pleasure it is to be on this beautiful estate. Now, please join us for a jet-paced tour of this amazing property. Fasten your seatbelts.
The first thing you see on entry is our beautiful Lake Tahoe. To the left is the principal suite, nicely separated from the rest of the home. Built for lifestyle, this residence envelops you in the warmth of beautiful woods, evoking dreams of family gatherings in this open living dining kitchen and family room beyond. Don't overlook 2 wood-burning fireplaces. There is a beautiful guest suite at the end of this floor, along with an office and powder room. Stairs go up to a game sitting area and open to 3 bedrooms, a huge bunk room, and 2 well-appointed baths. So that makes 6 bedrooms and 4.5 baths in this house. Now we'll stroll over to the Rubicon Pavilion, a beautiful structure that was created for entertaining, with a small kitchen and outside barbecue for al fresco dining, along with a 5-star suite for special guests. Note the interesting copper enclosure in the roof, along with this exquisite chandelier. How about the colors in the lake? Pretty picture perfect. In addition to the 2 buildings we visited, we have the Carriage House with tandem 4-car garage, an upper 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite apartment, and a lower 2-bath, 1-bath apartment off the patio. Natural landscaping comes into full bloom in June, with trees turning colors in the fall. Right now, we'll take summer and all the amazing opportunities to use the outdoor spaces on this property.
Thank you for flying through this lovely property with us today. First-class privacy is a coveted feature of this location, and the outdoor attributes of our area are at your doorstep.